this morning. Tea, of course, as always, but this fine specimen I've been making is an oat cake. Apparently these are an acquired taste. They're chewy and stiff. Yes, they're neither crunchy nor like soft chewy. They're stiff. They're oat cakes. So I served them to my cousin the other day. And I could tell, though they look like cookies, they're not cookies. And I'm laughing because I love them so much. There's really just oatmeal and a little bit of olive oil, and it's mostly oatmeal and not quick oats, just regular, the kind you would normally have to cook in a pan with water for 5 minutes or something. And yeah, so they're baked. And I think I threw 1 egg in there because I had some duck eggs from a lady who lives a little ways away, and these duck eggs are just fantastic for cooking. They're a little bigger, and they're sort of a little bit stronger flavor, but hardly any different than a chicken egg. Anyway, I really love the duck eggs for cooking. So that's it. A little bit of water, salt, and baking powder. You can hardly get it to hold together into a dough, but you can manage it just, and then when you get done with it, you have this thing that is essentially a way of carrying around oats. They're like, I don't know, they're kind of like bread. I mean, they have the same kind of place in one's palate that bread might produce. It's not really it's not a sweet experience, but it also has more heft than bread. Anyway, I'm really enjoying them. They're so perfect with tea. And I love the fact that there is nothing sweet in them, really. I think I put 3 drops of stevia, but they're just not sweet, except for the natural flavor of the oats. And I just really love it. Nice and hearty, and it's very good because it's winter. Ugh. I'm sorry, I shouldn't complain about winter, but it just so happens winter feels a little long right now, Anyway, yay to the oat cake.